We are at Ocean Cay Marine Reserve. We're here on an overnighter, so that's the nice thing. We're a little bit late into port today because we were dealing with some of the remnants of that tropical storm, Debbie, I believe it was. And it was really kind of pouring, and there were some squalls that came through this morning. So they delayed our initial time that we were going to be at port. And by the time everybody got off, it was probably in the 10, 11 o'clock range. It's about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock right now. Sun has come out. And so we are fortunate. And I'll just stand over here and give you a little brief glimpse over here. And as you can see, they're doing some construction right over in here. I'm not sure. I have not looked up what they're doing, but if any of you know, once again, throw something down in the comments. Let me know what you think is happening over here. Over here at Lighthouse Beach, you can kind of see it's shut down for the most part. I don't see anybody over there swimming, and that's normally a really busy beach. So once again, that's probably has to do with their maintenance they're doing. However, we're going to get down there and we're going to do a little touring and see what we come up with. Maybe do a little snorkeling and have ourselves a great day here at Ocean Cay. Hey everyone, thanks for watching our videos. If you like this content, please be sure to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell to be alerted of all of our upcoming videos. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. Give us out a try and see if you like us. Thanks a lot for watching. Little bit of so-so news. Anne is not feeling good. Something with her stomach, maybe a stomach virus of some kind. Hopefully it's short term. She told me to go out and do some taping, and that's what I am going to do. And hopefully by the time I come back, she's feeling a little bit better. So sad that I have to do this myself. She's been looking forward to this day for a long time, but there's nothing we can do about it at this point. Hopefully it just works itself out. So let's get going. When I stepped off the ship here and walked through these gates, I saw all the shells and coral and everything right here, which is really cool. So make our way over to here. I think I'm gonna pick up a tram and go where I need to go, just to keep my time as short as possible. And right as you come in, there's the tram here, so that's what we're gonna pick up. It is breezy today, which is nice. All right, on the tram, here we go. So we are going to come out here. This is the lagoon side. So we are in the lagoon area here at Ocean Cay. I'll just kind of spin around. You can see behind me here. It's warm out here. I think I'm going to search out a bar and get myself a drink. Time to take a load off, sit in the shade a little bit. Ooh, nice breeze right here too. I just got done getting my drink over here at this bar, and they didn't have the Blue Hawaiian, which I've been drinking for the last day here on this trip, but they hooked me up with a coconut rum and OJ. So not only that, I got two. So lucky me. One less trip to the bar, but nonetheless, I'm in a nice shaded spot here, and there's a breeze. I'm just going to sit here for a few minutes and then maybe make my way back towards the ship. So, but oh yeah. Well, we're going to make our way back and check in on Anne. Make sure she's doing okay. And cool off a little bit. Maybe take a shower. Get ready for tonight's activities. They're supposed to do the Lighthouse light show tonight, along with a beach party. So I am going to get myself ready and see if Anne's going to be able to go.
I checked in on Anne and she was feeling a little bit better. She thought it might have been something that she ate. She wasn't 100% yet, and she didn't want to go see the Lighthouse show, so I told her I'd record it for her.
Look at this. Here's those nets that they use to keep all the large ocean creatures out of the swim areas. So from what I could find out, the beach was closed to repair a few of these nets, as well as dredging for the new MSC World Mega Ship coming out next year. So we're going to make our way over to the Lighthouse bar just to see what that's about. Maybe grab a quick one and watch. We might get a little bit of sunset. It's going to be tough to see, but we'll do our best. So we just have to go around this corner and it's a straight shot.
Just as a reminder, your drink package will work here on the island, and they do have some snacks here at the Lighthouse bar as well. If you want some adventure and some great views, you could go to the top of the lighthouse, which is 100 feet tall. The cost is about $15 each.
Great evening here. They're going to start the party soon, I think, at dusk. The Lighthouse show, that is. I'm not sure if we're doing a beach party tonight. I'm going to check into that for everybody. But yeah, just a great atmosphere here. And yeah.
As sunset came, the ship lit up and was gorgeous, as was the skyline. After the sunset, it wasn't long before the Lighthouse show began. As we began day 2 at Ocean Cay, it once again rained really hard in the morning, but the sun did come out and Anne was thankfully feeling better.
I'm back. Wasn't feeling good yesterday, but now back today for Ocean Cay.
It is now sunny again. It rained. This is our day 2 here. It's sunny now. It rained this morning. There were some huge squalls that came through here, and they actually canceled the excursions. So, but now the sun's out. So, yay us. Something noteworthy is it's a very humid and hot day today, and on the shore where there's Sunset Beach over by the lighthouse and then up the coast there, that was really breezy. Right now we walked around and we're over closer to the lagoon area, and the breeze has subsided quite a bit, so it is quite a bit warmer and a little more stagnant over here. Just an FYI on that, if you are here and you want the breeze and it's a hot day. So just a heads up.
We jumped on a tram and headed back to the ship because it was getting close to the all aboard time.
Just like that, we're back.
We're back.
We are going to go cool off a little bit inside. This has just been an awesome day. Don't you think?
It has. And it's a beautiful island.
Okay, so look what we've got here.
We've got ducks.
We're going to go start hiding some.
Hiding some ducks.
It's Gala Night, so
Say.
yeah, so it's going to be a fun time. But first off, we got to get some of these ducks hidden. We got like, what have we, how many did we get? 100?
We have 100 ducks.
100 ducks. So we've got some work to do.
So here's my question. If you buy the Yacht Club water bottle, do you get into the Yacht Club without having to buy a room in the Yacht Club? I mean, it's $21.50. It's a pretty good deal.
So you just walk up and go, trust me.
Trust me.
I got a water
bottle.
I have the water bottle.
That gets you in, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Well, you know, we're only 2 months back from Italy, and I had to have some gelato. It's raspberry. If I hadn't just gotten back from Italy, I'd probably say it's the most amazing gelato I've ever had. But I did just get back from Italy. Hey, if you want to see more of our videos on Italy, check them out.
As evening came, it was time to get dressed up. It was Gala Night. For Gala Night, I decided to give the filet mignon a try. I got the filet mignon, medium, mashed potatoes, asparagus, and a couple of mushrooms. So we're going to give this a try. I'm hoping it's very good. I'm picky with my meat, so I think it's super tender.
You can cut it with a butter knife.
Oh my God. So good. That is good.
So we have grilled chicken, mashed potatoes, and some seasonal vegetables. Very good. It's not overcooked at all. All right, we are off to the Madison Theater to see the show Encore. It's a musical show. Thank you.
Our cruise director, Reverend Dr. E, always knew how to get the crowd going.
Gala night, Gala night, y'all looking gala good, you know? Looking like that galley. Y'all take a lot of photos tonight?
Oh, West Side Story. Oh, no, I thought this was Daddy.
We just came from the show Encore, and Encore was a compilation of a lot of different musicals. So you had a couple songs from each of these different musicals. You had West Side Story, you had Wicked,
Phantom of the Opera.
Phantom of the Opera. They ended with Les Mis, which was fantastic.
I think a couple of other Hairspray.
And Hairspray, and a couple of others. So really a fun show if you're into musicals.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not a big musical fan, but I thought it was well done.
And so we enjoyed it. Definitely consider it if you're on the Seashore or another MSC ship. Encore.
With Anne being sick for the better part of a day, it was fortunate that we had 2 days at Ocean Cay so she could enjoy the island a little bit. We'll be back here in a few months, so until then, we hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to like and subscribe for more of our weekly content as we go wandering.